Good day once again. Recently, I talked about how to register on Foodie Mart, how to get your EP from your upline, and also how to go about registration, getting your upline address. So today I'll be discussing more about the dashboard, everything we're saying when you log in into your dashboard, and how to go about it. So this is one of my own accounts, and one of my accounts I just registered. So once you come down to Foodie does biz, and you click on login, it's going to take you to your login page. Then you ask you to log in. When you log in, this is your dashboard. It shows you your dashboard. It shows you your package, the level you are. It shows you how many mentees you have under this level. It shows you your e-wallet total balance, your available balance. Then it tells you if you want to refer your friends down to you. So if I want to refer my friends to register under me, I just copy this link and I send to them. So whenever they click on the link, it takes them to the sign up page, and everything you're saying there is just telling you that okay, you're already progressing to, you're almost done with level 1, you need to move down to the next level. So total required number of level 1 mentee 3, number of level 1 mentee I have 2, so remaining 1 to make my level 1 complete. So now when you come down to your genealogy, it shows you your account immediately. Then it shows you the number of people under you immediately. So when you see this is the first account, and under this account we have 1 2, so remaining 1 to make the level 1 complete. So with your genealogy you can see everybody that registers under you, and you can monitor their progress. So when you come down to the mentees, you notice that Gide 1 is under, so it tells you that under Gide 1, Gide 1 is available, then Gide 3 is also under the first person. But under Gide 1, we have Gide 2 under Gide 1. So once I click on this, I can see everybody under anybody that register under me. So with this, we can see Gide 2 is there. So if I come back to my mentee, I can look at Gide 2 and say, okay, how many people is under Gide 2? But nobody is under Gide 2. So I can always use for my mentee to know the total amount of people that have registered under me, and I can see people that have registered under them. The messages here is if I have any message or I want to compose any message down to the admin of the site, so or to any user. So if I know another user from this platform, I will just input their username, I enter the message, and I send it down there. Then your transaction shows you all the transactions that you have. So this one tells you that, oh, when you register, you have level 1 bonus payment of $3.75 on migrating of migration of what Gide 3, which is another person under you. So when another person comes under you, you see the transaction. This one tells you Gide 1 to level 1. So it tells you that, oh, this is your total amount. It shows you all your transactions that you have. Another thing again is, in this platform you can transfer funds to another person. It's absolutely free. So once I know your username, I type in your username in there. After typing your username, I can input the amount of dollar that I want to send to you. If I want to send $10 or $20, I can input the amount of dollar I want to send. Then if you remember, while we were doing the registration process, it asks you for transaction password. Your transaction password is different from your normal login password. So this is where your transaction password comes in. So it asks you for your transaction password. Once you input your transaction password, it tells you submit. When you input the username, the person's username here, at the bottom you're going to, or at the front you're going to see the person's full name and everything. So you click on submit. Then if you want to activate a code, so or you want to buy activation code, or you want to activate your code, register as many people as possible using our activation code system. You can now purchase your activation code directly from the dashboard using your e-wallet. So I can buy activation code from my e-wallet. If I click on buy activation code, I click on buy activation code there, it tells me number of activation codes that I want. So if I tell him 4, or if I said 4 number of activation code, automatically he knows that's $20, because one activation code is $5. Sorry, one activation code is $5. Sorry, so if I say 4 activation code, it tells me $20. So I input my transaction password and I click on submit. So I buy the activation code, so I can get my activation code. Also withdraw. if you want to withdraw your available balance. So all you just need to do is what, click, put the amount of number you want to withdraw, your transaction password, then you click on withdraw. Now note something about this platform is, when you want to withdraw, the minimum you can withdraw is $20, and your cash will be paid directly into your bank account. So when you were registering, they ask for your bank account details. So it's being paid into your bank account directly, but it takes 24 hours for it to be paid into your account. And withdrawal charges of 5% of any amount will be withdrawn from it. So if you are withdrawing $20, 5% of $20 will be taken from it. So for me in this platform, I prefer transferring to different users. So what I just do basically is, when someone says, "Oh, I need some cash to buy activation code," I will just transfer to them, whereby the person can transfer the cash to me without any withdrawal fee or anything. So depending on what you want to do, some people prefer, "Oh, let me withdraw, the withdrawal fee is nothing to me," but so on and so forth. So notification is, this is where you get all your notification, where you see everything. Then in your account settings is where you set your account. You can change your password, you can change your account details, you can change your name, you can change anything you want to change in here. But the only thing you can not change is your username. But you can change your password, you can change your transaction, you can change your account number in there. So this is everything about your dashboard, what you need to know about your dashboard, and how to see people that are under you. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.